Hey guys, today we're going to be building a power supply for this scanner that goes in the car. If you're like me, you probably don't like powering it with one of those DC to AC inverter things, and with this big brick that always gets unplugged. I have one of these that came with it that it's got the normal barrel plug on the end that goes into the scanner, but it just has these wires on the end that you're meant to hook up to your car. And I don't want to do that because I like taking it in different cars. We're going to be making the scanner easy to transport between vehicles by reusing this old USB adapter. So let's get started. The first thing we've got to do is just tear this thing apart. So we can just unscrew here, take off this metal bit, and then pop it apart. So what we're going to keep is this whole front assembly. And I might as well keep the fuse. We've already got a fuse on the scanner power wire, but I'll just keep this one in here. Now what we're going to want to do first is actually just desolder the wires from this board so I can reuse them. There. So here we have what we're actually going to need to make the adapter. Originally I was thinking I could just hide this fuse in here, but now I don't think I'm going to. I'll just leave it run out the end. We can connect these wires up. At first, I thought I actually wanted to solder these wires onto the terminals, but then I was thinking, what if I want to reverse it? So when I grabbed the heat shrink tubing, I also decided to grab these quick connectors. I think I'll use them, like one on the positive, one on the negative, and then connect them to here. So I think we'll just solder these together, and then I'll add a longer wire. That should be decent enough. Now we can do the same thing for the power wire. That should work. Yeah, the heat shrink tubing gives it some extra width, so it can stay in there. Hold up better. So I can cut these shorter and then put the terminals on them. That feels good. Just clip these on. Yeah, I didn't think these would fit. Unless I can actually get this on. As is, oh, I actually can. Now we're missing an LED, so I'll have to add one of those in. This would have been so much faster if I didn't add the stupid LED. Who knows, the LED might not even be in the final video. This might not be either. Probably could have done this with an LED without drawing too much current in a different way, but don't really care. Looks good. Guess we can go out to a car now and try it. I don't see why it wouldn't work in a car. It worked fine inside, but we'll go do that now. Okay, we're in my car. So stick this in. Take out the lighter thing. Just push that in. Just stick the key. See if we can just... That'll be enough. Yeah, it is. Okay. Well, it works. That's good. So if you want to see in the future, I might try to do where you run 4 18650 LiPo batteries in it. I saw a video where the Evil Lithium man did. I'll put a card to it right here. So if you want to see me do that, you can say in the comments or anything else. So again, thank you guys for watching, and I hope you enjoyed. See you next time.